In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get level 7 in Hypixel Skyblock. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over what Hypixel Skyblock levels are and the best way to go about acquiring them. As you can see, if you open up your Skyblock menu, you will be able to find the Skyblock leveling option on the middle of your inventory. As you can see, when you click on it, you will be able to see your progress towards new Skyblock levels. Each level will give you distinct rewards, and you can see the rewards by hovering over them. As you can see, you will be able to get all the way to many levels. Over here at the bottom, you have some options related to leveling. First of all, I recommend you go over to the Skyblock guide and you read a little bit through all of this. As you can see, this is all that is available on Skyblock for you to do. And there is much to discover, so it's very important that you always go here, especially if you are a starter player and you take a look through all of this. After you are familiarized with everything, you can go back and then you can choose ways to gain Skyblock XP. As you can see, these are the actual methods of getting XP. You have core tasks, event tasks, dungeon tasks, ascent shops, slaying, story, miscellaneous, and skill related. Now, you can choose any of these and they will have a list available for you to see what you can improve on to actually get XP. So simply do all of these on a surface level and then you can choose one of these to actually specify yourself in. Because the more you go into each of these skills, the harder it's going to be to level them up more and more. So it's very important to diversify and level up as many skills as you can to amass a good amount of XP. I hope I was able to help you on how to get level 7 on Hypixel Skyblock. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.